Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to all of you into my channel A to Z Therapy with Smriti. This is your host Smriti Sikta Mishra. I am an occupational therapy and clinical psychology student. So come, join me on my journey of becoming a therapist and let's learn together.
Everyone, and we have a very special guest with us today, Dr. Shivaji Kumar, who has been working in the field of rehabilitation care and disability for the past almost 30 years. 30 years, it's like 3 decades. It's rich experience, and he has been awarded with a lot of prestigious awards. So as you said, that Bihar was one of the first states who started up with sports or conducting like sports for persons with disabilities and all. How do you think that if you like to rank our states or various parts of our country on terms of disability inclusion and the work culture for persons with disabilities, how would you rank the states and where or parts cities of our country in terms of the inclusion and work culture?
I got your point. Thing is, they
Yeah.
see recent last three years we have improved a lot. We have on the website. You see the annual reports and other thing also, and what notification and circular what we have given. Honorable Supreme Court also says that Bihar was the only state who means all the what the we have various sections we have notified and we have planned and we have given the action plan also. So even though it is a verdicts of Supreme Courts. So honorable Supreme Courts also. So you will see that things have been changed last couple of years. Means I say last 4 5 years. So I will even I used to visit another state also. So I will see the Bihar is almost Bihar we will ranking in the last 5 years. So Bihar will be almost on top position as other people also says. And I also see we are improving much more the other state are doing. You can see our website and the annual report also. You compare other state also.
Okay, great. So you have visited almost 50 plus countries
Yes.
and represented India at various events. What,
Mm.
according to you, is basic like in different? What is different in other countries than in India in terms of the mindset, inclusion levels, the behavior towards persons with disabilities in their social environment? What is different in other countries as compared to India?
Yeah, great. You will see other countries, they have the good intellectual level. They are people with having knowledge of each and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Why the disabilities, why happens, is a condition, not a disease. But in India, people thinks the person with disability is something sin, like a sin
Mm-hmm.
in the last पूर्व जन्म में उनको कुछ हुआ था. So I think
Mm-hmm.
now when professional are increasing and the activities are increasing, then people have started to bringing their children from the out of home. You see even in Australia, in the developed country, the people with disabilities more than 12 13%, and Australia is 18%. But you see one survey conducted last census, you see less than 3% population coming out and saying that their children or they are person with disability. Why? Because they think that if people will know, we in our family, if somebody is mental retardation or something else, so people will have negative impact. So I think now they have started to coming out. They because they are getting benefits, so things are improving. And in other countries, you will see the people they're having their knowledge about their disabilities, and they want to equally participates wants to participate to person with disability also. I see the people are very sensitized. They are knowing their ability. They are knowing their each and everything. they are welcoming with each with law and their great heart to accepting the person with disability. And it's not happening in India. Still, you see, it started from the when the parents. When people, your doctor or somebody says he's a disabled, then they started to them discriminating them. They say गोईठा में घी सुखाना, because people wants to कितना भी खर्च कर दें, कितना भी कुछ कर दें, तो what we are going to get back. So now, but now you see the people are person with disability becomes IAS, IPS, and in all the level you see they are competing as well as the general people are competing. So you might know that, and the topper also.
Yeah,
from
Ira
the,
Singhal. Yeah.
yeah. So now in the sports also you see the almost I met all the like Shahrukh Khan, Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar, everyone, even Amitabh Bachchan, everyone, they say that they are getting motivated from the person with disability. Many times we used to meet them, they are, so person with disability is not competing their challenges, their own challenges, but also they are motivating to society also.
Yeah.
So we are every day we get motivated from their, we know they have limited physical and mental challenges, and then they are competing in society. So we also getting motivated. So now keep scenario are improving and changing. So we will see next coming 4-5 years, we will have a better impact on our society and the government sector and other people also.
Okay, great. So, what are the reforms we can bring in the future in the field of disability? In terms of, like, we talked about what the issues are, but what more can we do in terms of the reforms we can bring?
Yeah, it's a good question. We firstly, what we saw, the people, though those are not having person with disability and getting the certificate, fraud certificate, and they are benefiting from it. So first, our challenge is to find out those culprit and let bring it out notice of the state commissioner and who even the district magistrate also. First thing, so needy people can get benefits. Government are giving benefits in each and every sector, but we have to see the other people should not get benefit. Those are not having the person with disability. As we know the benchmark disability 40%, and in the rights of person with disability 21 types of person with disability are in the legally they are the person with disability. So at least one type of person with disability should get all the benefits what the government are providing them as in the legal level. Other things we want to, the society also, they should keep accepting and then give them opportunity also equal. That's why section opportunity. Until unless we are not giving the opportunity, how can we know these people are competing or not competing? Third point, we want to see these people are very honest, they are very hard work, they are very lovely people. Let them give the chance and see, even in the corporate sector and others, see the people with having normal IQ, normal, and you compare person with disability. Even their challenges, physically challenges, mentally challenges, their performances are as good as normal people. In sometimes you see the better performances.
Yeah, they're coming out beautifully. Yeah.
Yeah, they're not cheating, they are not lying, they are not, they are keep honest. Somebody, if they're helping people with disability, they are very hard work, are very hard work, and the finance you see the improving. So we are appealing the people in the corporate sector, even private sector, and other people also. Please give the chance to the person with disability and see your whatever you have in the mind. So these people are going to be burdened. It's not like that.
Yeah.
People are helping you in each and every level, and you're improving your society and corporate and each everywhere. Let them first you try, and then tell the people You did see the lemon tree, and many people are keeping started. Somewhere you see 100% they keep starting to giving the job with the people with hearing impact. So
Mhm.
likewise, and they're the financial and other. You see the annual audit report. You see they are improving. They're getting the more benefits rather than they were compared when the person with disability not participating there in the office job. So likewise, we just appeal the people, please keep accepting the person with disability and see there the challenges, and accordingly you just give them their work. And as you know, I have wrote the book Barrier Free Environment for Person with Disability. We'll see once we are keeping the person with disability in our or assigning their any job, please see their mental and physical ability also.
Yeah. The bottom line is that we need to give them the chances rather than
Yeah.
just being judgmental.
This year.
Yeah. So, you have done clinical psychology too. So, have you been like lately practicing as a rehabilitation practitioner?
Yeah. We more. I know more than I think 26,000 26 or somewhere patient I have seen. I have the recorded in the case record also giving the counseling and their IQ test and other behavioral assessment thing like we keep doing. Still we once we get the time, we love to work with the especially for national touch disability like autism, cerebral palsy, intellectual disability, and multiple disability. These disabilities I have done in course also, and I have expertise also.
Okay, wonderful. Lastly, what would be your special message for the corporate sector? We will just divide it into sectors. First will be the corporate sector, the normal people, school authorities, because it's very important that for inclusion, we start up with the schools from a very elementary level so that we can have a better inclusive society. And to the parents of special children, what would be your special message to make our
Yeah,
environment more inclusive?
great. And I love to give the message, being the state commissioner, that the corporate sector, as you are compiled with the Rights of Person with Disability Act in various section, especially section 3, you cannot discriminate for person with disability and other also, and section 21 also, section 22, 23, 24. You just go through, and section 35 also. So I appeal corporate sector to please provide them opportunity, whatever level, at least 5% give the chance to
Mhm.
person with disability in their whatever their job is there. So let us start, and at least corporate sector have to give them equal opportunity, and
Yeah.
not like equal opportunity, they have to facilitate their the barrier free environment also in the
Mhm.
whatever they are keeping, and see that their limitations, and we have to see their barrier free environment and other facilities also.
Mhm.
And for normal people, just we want to let them compete. See, generally you see the government, like you see the railway station,
Mhm.
and we have fought and see the escalator are there, lifts are there, but you see the person with disability are just waiting, and the normal people are using their
Yeah.
lifts and other facilities also.
Mhm.
At least see the give the chance to them
Mhm.
what the government is providing. Please help to government the
Mhm.
and making the barrier free environment. Please accept, have the feeling like as equal as we are,
Mhm.
and nobody knows who are going to tomorrow like person with disability. So let us accept, and let us be feel like maybe we are someday, maybe we as aging factor also may
Mhm.
have some type of disabilities also. So like we appeal to normal people, please accept them and give them opportunity, and provide them whatever the help they can do as a volunteer, as a financier, and other things, whatever what the capacity they are having at on the uh, as per their capacity, please help to person with disability. And for the school authority, as know, person with disability having their limitations, some people are not able to participate in education system. So please, even in the act also is there, so 6 to 18 years, that there should be free education, and
Yeah.
RT also. So nobody can deny, even normal in public school also, nobody can deny any children with a special needs or person with disability to getting admission, not admission, and see the facilities and barrier-free environment to participate and improve their, like we are in schools there are children with special needs like blind, hearing impaired, and spastic. So we have to provide like braille system, and for the hearing impaired at least the loop conduction wire or hearing aid, sign language. Likewise, spastic intellectually challenged people must have the special educator also. Same as parents for special children's, just especially for national touch disabilities, they are worried about what will be going to happen after death of them. So in the National Trust Act, there is a legal guardianship in each districts. They are the local level committee. Please go there and get registered with them, and please get the legal guardianship. So anything will happen, government will take care of after your death. I mean, Section 14 is the short guardianship also. So in the Rights of Person with Disability Act also. So please, please use whatever the government is providing them. Be aware, and don't feel like that you children with special needs or person with disability is a sin or some curse, anything like that. We feel like as the government, God is given you as to serve them and help them. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Lastly, we have a message for a thanking message from our founder, Dr. Harprasad Mishra. I'll just play the audio.
Okay.
1 second, sir.
So as we have approached towards the end of the podcast, so it's time to thank Shivaji sir, the State Commissioner of Bihar, and handling all the disability affairs. And we are honored, sir, being a founder of this organization called MH India, to have you on our official podcast, which deals with rehab with A to Z Therapy with Smriti. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and sparing some time to share your views and thoughts, and most importantly, your past experiences of nearly 3 decades with all our audiences. We are really grateful to you, sir. Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.